Hello, welcome to ReviewBreaker. I'm going to walk you through Animal Sounds application available in Android market for free. In this application, many sounds of animals are present. When you open this application, you have a volume bar to control at top. You can adjust the volume here. There is a long list of animals with their pictures. By selecting one of them, a sound is generated that resembles the animal's sound. Let me select one of them. I'm selecting the whale. Wow! Let me see for another animal. I'm selecting lion. You can pause the sound. You can pause the sound by selecting on the animal again. This application can be enjoyed by kids. Use this application to let them know about the sounds made by the animal. Thank you.
Hope this review was informative. Keep watching this channel for breaking reviews.